my voice is gonna be so rough from this job. So it's like 8 o'clock right now. I am currently on my way to Epcot to meet some other fellow wilderness explorers. We're going to watch Illuminations tonight. I worked from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock tonight, or today. I can't even speak anymore, like my brain is mush. I feel like I was yelling all day. Like I really need to start taking care of my voice. I feel like this job is gonna be really rough. I already feel myself like losing it. Yeah, so I'm gonna head back to Epcot. I'm really excited. This morning was, oh, there's a rainbow outside. You probably can't see it, but it looks really pretty. It's pretty faint, but it's pretty. There's so many rainbows here. Like I've seen more rainbows in the past month that I've been here than I've ever seen like in my whole life put together. My drive to work this morning and my whole morning really was just a mess because Ben Rector and Dan and Shay both put out albums in the past like couple days. So I am on the struggle bus listening to these albums. They are amazing, but like I'm emotionally drained and I can't stop listening to them, which really is not good for my well-being. So it's really a great time.
You won't get it tonight, 'cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Casey and Wilderness Explorer Jackie here. We're trying to decide right now, we're having a debate what a group of wilderness explorers should be called. We have some ideas in mind.
Yes.
So we have, what'd you say, a teach?
Or a smart.
Or a smart.
Yeah.
Or
An inspire.
An inspire.
A sash.
Or a sash.
Yes.
Or a sash. So those are our 4 choices. If you like any of them more than the others, or you think they're more appropriate for a group of explorer troop leaders, let me know.
Gotta be, yeah. You gotta do it. No,
The game is how many of us can we fit in the photo group?
everyone.
What's happening?
We're just gonna have pictures of
It's gonna work? I don't think so.
We're not gonna get any pictures.
Can we just leave?
2 more.
Fill your hand out.
I'd be lying if I said I remembered what this was called.
Baked unbaked. Right?
Baked unbaked. Ooey gooey.
Gooey gooey.
Monster cake.
Soft and
That's
chewy.
so
I don't
Neither of those are correct. What did you get?
Baked unbaked.
Baked unbaked. Yes, for the win. What about you?
Peppermint patty.
Is it so good? I love peppermint. And
I got peppermint and cookies with cream.
how about you?
Double it up. Unbaked. Baked and unbaked.
Baked unbaked. Where are we? Ample Hills Boardwalk. It's
lit.
Life. This is why we vlog for these kinds of moments.
Cookie wedge. What the?
Oh my gosh. I didn't even know that was an option.
I didn't either, honestly. I got ice cream. Oh, she got ice cream. My pineapple
Flavor. It's
coffee
different.
toffee.
Ooh. Ha ha ha.
Yeah.
What flavor?
What flavor?
Yeah.
Gooey butter cake.
That's what it was. Ooey gooey butter cake.
Ooh, gooey butter cake. What did we say?
Ooey gooey soft and chewy.
Spain stays mainly in the plane, but the rain in Florida
Doesn't stay in the plane.
it really just has a mind of its own. Look at the New World of Disney sign.
What?
It's behind the director now, but it's so different. I
Wait.
don't like it. Where are the characters? I don't like it. Here, go that
Did
way.
you see the New World of Disney in California?
No.
It's like grown-up World of Disney.
No.
Yeah, it's
Why do they just keep changing everything?
it's pretty, but it's not like World of Disney. Like Peter Pan isn't flying around above my head and I'm not okay with it. Why is it blue on the inside?
Always been at the top of that?
I don't know.
Has she always been there? Have I never noticed?
You call yourself a fan?
Get it?
I would actually
then you could like do a
wear
real cute
this.
like tie and high-waisted shorts.
But I want it.
I think we have to get it. Not right now.
Yeah, because
Because
you
it's
know.
$60.
Yeah.
What is happening? What are you doing? Oh. I'm so confused.
It's so busy. I'm not used to like this many people being here. But we just got our free chocolate at Ghirardelli.
Those milk chocolate.
Taking it?
Sure, you want to be in it?
Yeah.
Say hi, say your name,
Hello,
say hi.
my name's Trevor. Nice to meet you.
Hi,
guys.
Trevor, you too.
I'm Mike.
Have a great day, guys. Perhaps they will find
I
themselves.
definitely think they should be in that because that's funny.
Absolutely.
That I won. Yes! It's true. Let that bass up. All right, nice.
Say hey.
That rainbow over there?
I am Bruce. I am who I'm meant to be. I would really like
These are stunning.
Only?
Only 37 grand. 37
You
and a
could
half.
totally swing that. What are you using right now?
A shave scrub
A
called
shave
Love for my hands to make them soft and supple.
Ooh, it really feels amazing. I kind of want one. These are amazing.
Look at this one.
Look at the cake.
I love that.
Wait, that's really cool.
Okay, this one smells like the ocean.
Does it?
Yes, smell it. Like it.
I just want to like shove my face in it. It's like fresh. Let it go. It says let it go on it. Ooh, this one smells like vacation.
Yeah, it does. Now I want to go on vacation. Thanks.
Sorry.
There you go.
Classy.
Please, my butt.
It's happening.
It's happening.
So excited. We'll give the full review.
Terrifying. We're also
Yeah.
going to see who we're going to see. We're going to see the Carnotaurus. We are going to see Baryonyx. We are going to see Blue, the Velociraptor.
Oh, I love Blue.
I love Blue.
She's the best.
Awesome. We will see Mosasaurus.
I can't
We
wait.
will see, oh, you're going to meet Stiggy.
I'm just
Stiggy
here for
is the new dinosaur. Stiggy is a
Chris
Stiggy
Pratt.
Moloch. And I think she's adorable. I think she's super underrated.
But Chris Pratt
And then we'll see a Tyrannosaurus Rex, obviously.
just got out of Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom.
Fallen King.
Fallen Kingdom. It is approximately 2 o'clock in the morning. Pretty sure I'm losing my mind. Can't walk in a straight line. Shook.
I'm emotionally and physically just like drained. But it's so good, you have to go see it.
Yeah,
But
it's
just know that like
it's like
it's
next
more
level creepy.
intense than you would expect from
Next
like a
level
Jurassic movie. Like
Yeah.
and the cinematography and scoring is just
Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm
like
beside myself
so
right
on
now.
another level. So it just makes it all the more like of an intense experience that you
Yeah.
should go check out.
That was so much, but Blue holds my heart as well as Chris Pratt.
Also, Stiggy Moloch is just my favorite dinosaur. You'll know why when you meet her. She's my fave.
Good night. I'm done.
Good night. We'll see you.
When we see you.
Look at Anna and Elsa.
Look at them. Look at Jessie.
Love it. Woohoo! Oh, and there's Star Wars land. Look how much it's been built up.
I was gonna say, that's crazy how much they did.
Look at that, y'all.
Trying to get my
ID.
Struggling a lot. We're still struggling.
Keeps her purse under her feet. That doesn't seem like the safest spot. Vlogging.
She's vlogging. I've got the real camera today. We're gonna see if we can take some pics. So,
Mm-hmm. Where are we?
for the moment,
Where are we?
Studios.
Oh,
We're at
studios.
I
Yeah,
keep
we're at
forgetting where we are.
studios. It's a beautiful day right now.
Sunday.
Hoping it doesn't rain.
Amen.
Also kind of hoping the clouds cover the sun because we forgot sunblock.
We did.
So,
Well, I mean, to be fair, we were at church and now it's like, this isn't like a full day thing.
right. No, we'll just be here for
We
a
just
couple
have
hours.
coffee
We're here
and-
to see Anna and Elsa.
Yeah, we're literally here to see the show.
Yeah. We got
And
some
then,
Jesus
you know,
and
we
got
might-
some coffee. It's a great day. It's a good day.
It's a good Sunday.
Yeah. I'm here for the queen.
Put me in summer and I'll be a puddle!
Oh, the sky will be blue. And you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
I'm gonna tell him.
Don't you dare!
In summer.
I'm so glad you're here. Oh, the royal historians have been telling our story. Oh, thank you. What a very good story you told. Though the ending did feel strange. Well, Olaf did help a lot.
Anna, you saved our whole kingdom. It's you that saved your sister and yourself.
Oh, an act of true love will thaw a frozen heart. My sister Elsa, I love you. Excuse me, Queen Elsa. The sister.
We've got a camera in a bag. Where are you going?
I'm trying to put this on water.
Well, come on, it's gonna get wet anyway.
Okay.
Oh my! It's in my eye. It's in my.
Some kind of picture.
My makeup is dripping down This is a great water ride. I've never been in this one before.
It's a new one. The queue is always really short.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend if you're ever in Hollywood Studios.
Just missed it.
Yeah.
Making 2 stops and 2 stops. Now television to the driver's right-hand side.
Besides the fact that my contacts have been washed out of my eyes, I don't even know what this means. So or else you're driving. Oh, is this our stuff? Ow! I literally cannot see anything! Where? Oh, no, that's not us!
You get up.
Oh, sure, you guys look great! I can't see Ashley Grace! Oh.
At least her camera's dry.
I feel pretty.
Oh my god! Oh wow!
I'm alive!
Get her a napkin.
Sure, I don't really know what that's gonna do. Signing off.
Yeah, this is the end.
This is the end.
This is the end of
I
the vlog.
don't think there's any way we could continue this. I'm gonna have to blow dry my seats.
Yep.
Thanks for tuning in.
We'll see you next time when we hopefully look better, because
Remember us.
as we were, not as we are.
Not as we are. Bye.